Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Tacoma tire. Start by confirming a safe work area and wearing gloves and eye protection to prevent injuries. Gather your lug wrench, jack, spare tire, and torque wrench before you begin. I will walk through each step at a steady pace so you can follow along confidently and finish the job safely and efficiently. Before you start, position your Tacoma in park on firm ground and set the parking brake. Safety comes first. Loosen the lug nuts slightly while the wheel still touches the ground to prevent the wheel from spinning. Place the jack under the certified lift point shown in the manual and raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. I will explain safe lifting technique and proper lug nut tightening next. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more truck tips. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, which helps when budgeting for tools, tires, or unexpected repairs. I find it practical and reassuring for planning vehicle expenses, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Loosen lug nuts before lifting, then jack the Tacoma at the recommended point until the tire clears the ground. Remove the lug nuts and wheel, inspect the hub and suspension quickly, then mount the spare and hand tighten the nuts. Lower the truck enough to seat the tire and finish tightening in a star pattern, then torque to the manufacturer specification. I will cover how to check the spare and final safety checks after this procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.